COUNTIF function is a function which is used to count number of times a text string is repeated within a particular range. Let us see how. COUNTIF the range. Let us see how many times the word apple is repeated within the given range. Comma, criteria. Here you go, type apple and close the parenthesis, enter. It will show 3 times. The word apple is repeated within this selected range 3 times. Similarly, you can also find for other things also, like mango, it is repeated 3 times. Let us see how many times orange is repeated. Orange is also repeated 3 times. The same thing can also be done like this. COUNTIF, open parenthesis, the range is this, the given range, comma, instead of putting within the quotes the search criteria, you can create a column like this and put your criteria within the column. Now I am going to see how many times the apple is repeated within the given range. Close the parenthesis and enter. 3 times. Come here and double click. You will find out how many times orange is repeated within the given range, and similarly mango and pineapple. The same things can be done to find number of times these numbers are repeated, 100, 200, 300, 400 in the given, in this given column under price section. Here go again, let us run COUNTIF. The range is, this time the range is this one, the price section, comma, criteria is this one, 100, close parenthesis, enter. 3 times. Now come here, double click, you will find out how many times 100, 200, 300 or 400 repeated within the particular range.